Let's take an example of a pet house who is maintaining two tables, age and adapt. The left table specifies the names of the animals and their age. The right table specifies the name of the animals and who adapted them. Now, if you notice something, the dog, cat and monkey are common rows in both these tables. Hence, the name and the pet name from both the tables are our primary keys. Now, using these primary keys, we can perform different types of join in SQL. Now, why do we perform a join? What is the need for it? It is very logical that in order to combine the data from two different tables, you perform a join. There are multiple types of join, and let's discuss the first type of join. It is called as an inner join. If you notice, what happened here is that the three common animals, that is dog, cat and monkey, are included in this inner join. As the name suggests, it includes only those rows which are common in both the table. And this is how you get a table with name, age, pet name and adapted by. These two columns are from the left table and these two columns are from the right table. This is a result of an inner join. Now, how do you write this query? You say select everything from age, that is our left table, and join them with our right table, that is our adapt table, and you assign an alias A and B. And how do you want to join this? You want to join this on name and pet name of both the tables, which is nothing but the primary keys. You can also rewrite this query in a different way, simply by specifying what columns do you need. You can include or exclude the columns using the select statement, but make sure to use the alias that you have assigned. So a.name specifically means take the name column from A table, take the age column from A table, or take the pet name from B table, this table. Let's discuss a different type of a join, and it is called as the left outer join. Now, as you can see in this graph, everything from the left table is included, that is owl, panda and peacock, along with the common animals, that is dog, cat and monkey. And this is how you see the table. And this is how you write the query. Select the columns from age and then you specify left outer join, adapt B. And how do you want to join it? In the same way, a.name is equal to b.petname, which is nothing but our primary keys. And this is how you see the table. You see name, age, pet name and adapted by. And very interestingly, if you see, since this is a left join, as you can see, everything from the left table is included, including the dog, cat and monkey, which are common in both the tables. Hence, you see the information about the pet name and who adapted them for all these three animals. But you see null for owl, panda and peacock, because owl, panda and peacock are not present in the table B. Now let's tweak this a little bit to discuss a different type of a join. And this is left excluding join. As you can see, the query remained the same and we just added filter here. And what's the filter? We say b.petname is null. And when we do this, what happens is, from the left outer join, whatever the null values we had, only those gets included and the rest does not get included. And when that happens, you get only these three animals which are there in the left table, and you do not get any animals which are there on the right table, and you will also not get any animals which are matching in both the tables. For example, dog, cat and monkey are vanished from this table. This is the left excluding join. Now let's discuss a different type of a join. It is the right outer join. And interestingly, what you see, whatever happened in the left outer join, the same thing is happening in the right outer join, but just the opposite one. And in this join, all the animals that were common in both A table and B table are included, along with all the animals that are there in the right table, and exclude all the animals that were there on the left table. And hence you see dog, cat and monkey which are common in these tables, and then you see rat and rabbit which are not common but they are present in the right table. And then you don't see any information on name and age because rabbit and rat were not present in A table. So that's our right outer join. And how do you write this query? You just specify, you keep everything same, you join it in the same way. And how do you write this query? You keep everything same and then you join this query in the same way. And how do you write the query? You keep everything same, you join the query in the same way how you joined the previous queries, and here you just specify that this is a right outer join that should do the work. Now let's tweak this a little bit and discuss our right excluding join. This is similar to left excluding join, but just the opposite. Whatever you have in the left table, that will not be included, and whatever common, that is dog, cat and monkey, even those will not be included. You will get only those animals that are there on the left table, and obviously excluding the animals that are common from both the tables. And this is how you will get your result. You keep the query the same and you just add a condition saying a.name is null. Then you get right excluding join. Let's discuss another join. Very interestingly, this is called as a full outer join. So what happens in a full outer join? As you can see in the result, everything from the left table, everything from the right table, and whatever common animals, everything is included in this query. And how do you write this query? Everything remains the same. You just specify it as a full outer join. Now let's discuss the last type of a join. This is called as outer excluding join. And as you can see in the graph here, all the three animals, that is dog, cat and monkey, are not included in this, but rest all the other animals are included. And this is how you get your results. You get owl, panda and peacock along with their age, rabbit and rat along with their adapted by names. And how do you write this query? You keep everything same as the previous query. You specify it as a full outer join, and you just add a small condition here saying a.name is null or p.petName is null. Now if you look at the previous query, wherever you see the null values, those will be included because we are adding an OR condition. Alright, so these are the different types of joins that we discussed in this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you find it helpful, please share it with your peers and colleagues, and like this video and add your comment for your feedback. Your feedback will be valuable to me, and thank you for supporting my channel. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for my next videos.